Good day all of you, my dear student. Now we are going to discuss about standard 7. First of all, we will discuss about last video. In last video, you all have completed the activities. The questions were given there. So no doubt, now we will see next pages, page number 5, page number 6. There are some activities are given here. These activities are very simple. You also try to solve it. Definitely you will solve these activities, no doubt. Okay. Now student, I am going to discuss about page number 7. You know, there are small games are given here. First game is a friendly challenge, means in your class, now you have no class, okay. So you also play the game by your brother, by your sister, by your father, by your mother. You also enjoy this game. Student, you know, what is the activity? This activity is, you also write a wrong sentence and ask your partner to correct it. Do you know? You write a wrong sentence and ask your partner to correct it. Means very simple activities there. This is an activity of grammar. Last year, I had taught you about the grammar, about the parts of speech. Now we are discussing. Now we are going to discuss about this part of speech. After this page, you know, you frame your own sentences, but you know, you must able to correct your each sentence, which sentence you have made wrong. In last day there was one activity, design your own text. Design your own text means you also make your own text, you make your own questions and you make that answers also. This activity depend on that activity. Here, you know the grammar topic, use of be. The verbs of to be is, am, are. This is a present tense, was, were. This is a past tense, shall, will. This is a future tense. Then use of do, use of have, use of yes to verbs, means use of a and. These are called articles. How we use articles a and the, means this is an activity, this is a revision activity of your last standards. In last standards, in standard 5, in standard 6, you also completed this activity. It is very simple. How? For example, the first of use of be. I am here given here. Means you also complete the activity. First of all, you write I are. This is wrong, but you also correct it, means you also change this word in I am. I am a boy, I am a teacher, I am an engineer, I am a carpenter. In this way, you also make your own sentences. Use of do, use of don't. It means positive, then negative sentences also there. I have pen, I have a brother, I have a sister, I have chair, I have a book. In this way, you also make your small sentences with the help of this activity. And this activity is given here by the animations. Small animations are given here. You see these animations. Here is one picture given here. The picture of parrot. and above written there, I is a parrot. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. I is a carrot, it is correct? No. What should be there? There should be it is a parrot, because you know in grammar it is a neuter gender. It is used for only animals and the articles, objects, sorry. Means I is a parrot is not correct. You also change this sentence, it is a parrot. The second is, my teacher are very nice. My teacher are very nice. Means here teacher, this is the singular. If their teachers were there, it is correct. But it is a teacher. So that's why my teacher is very nice. It is correct. My teacher are very nice, not correct. If my teachers are correct, are very nice, it is correct. You know, you understand this? Means use of yes, yes, use of proper verbs, use of proper articles, use of proper noun, proper pronoun. So this activity is depend upon, you open your page number 9. In 9 page, there is given the parts of speech. I have written on the blackboard here. Parts of speech. In Marathi, it's called Shabdancha Jati. Which, you know, first is noun, second is pronoun, third is adjective, fourth is verb, fifth is adverbs, seventh is preposition, conjunction, interjection, and last is a interjection. Means these are parts of speech. In Marathi it's called naam, sarvanam, visheshan, kriyapad, kriya visheshan, shabdayogi aveya, ubhyanavi aveya, and last is keval prayogi aveya. In each these speeches, each speech has a specialty is given there. How you know noun? Noun means noun. The name of person, name of place, and name of thing is called noun. व्यक्ती, वस्तू, पदार्थ यांच्या ठेवलेल्या नावाला काय म्हणतो आपण? नाउन म्हटलं आपण. Pronoun, the word which comes instead of noun. A word which comes instead of noun, instead of च्या ऐवजी, नामाऐवजी वापरत येणारा शब्द. Ramesh is a clever boy. He is a very interested in playing games. रमेश हा हुशार मुलगा आहे, तो खेळामध्ये तो देखील हुशार आहे. Means instead of Ramesh we use here he. Means he, she, I, he, she, you. These are called pronouns. Then adjective. What is adjective? We are going to discuss about a proper thing. How is Ramesh? Ramesh is very clever. I mean, adjective means clever. This is adjective. What is the specialty of Ramesh? Ramesh is very clever. Ramesh is very intelligent. Ramesh is very smart. This is Ramesh's specialty. Verb. What is verb? Verb means a word which completes the meaning of sentence. If the verb is not there, the sentence is not complete. I am a boy. I am a teacher. If I say, I teacher, do you understand it? It will not understand you. I am a teacher, not I teacher. Am is very necessary there, very important there. I mean, if you lost verb, you will not complete your sentence. Okay? Then here, adverb. Adverb means the things are going done. How you are writing? I am writing fast. I am going slowly. I am reading slowly. I am laughing loudly. This is the adverb. Then preposition. Preposition means it's called I am sitting on the table, chair. I am sitting on the table, on the chair, on. The mobile is on the table. Means a word which use after noun. The monkey is sitting on the branch. माकड झाडावर बसले वर खाली. These are called preposition. Then conjunction. A word which use two words or two sentences. He and she, my friend Ramesh and Suresh, both are very clever. A word which connect two words or two sentences and or these are called conjunction. The interjection which express your emotions. Your emotions are various types of your emotions are there. Last period we have said scared, happy, sad. How you express your emotions, these are called interjection. In this way, this is a very important activity of parts of speech. Some sentences are given here. Parts of speech tree is given there. You also solve it if you also read properly. First of all, you know, student, we are not teaching you in front of or face to face, but we are learning English by the online. So it is very important you also try to read the books in your house properly. When you will read the book, you will know. If you not read properly, no doubt, but try to read. If you have any difficulties, ask me by our group. You also complete all activities and enjoy these pages. Okay? Thank you very much.